Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to clear search suggestions on Instagram. Don't worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first you're just going to open the Instagram application, and once you've opened, all you have to do is to tap on the magnifying glass to search on the bottom left part of your screen right next to home. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you tap on it, you will be transferred to the search tab, and let me show you what is a search suggestion. When you tap on the search box, as you can see, there are suggestions of people that you've recently searched. And there are two ways in clearing that. So for the first way, all you have to do is to tap on the X mark right next to that person's profile to remove it from the suggestion. Let's go ahead and try. As you can see, that person has now been removed in my search suggestion. And to mass delete or delete every single profile here in my search suggestion, all you have to do is to tap on see all to see the search suggestions or the whole list of the search suggestion. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the list of the people that you've recently searched. And to clear that, all you have to do is to tap on clear all. Let's go ahead and tap it. As you can see, you will be asked if you'd like to clear search history. You just need to confirm by tapping on clear all. Let's go ahead and tap it. As you can see, my search suggestion or recent search is now empty. And when I go back, tap on again the search box, there is no search suggestion anymore. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.